Actor and cancer survivor Sonali Bendre attended the RoboGyn India 2025 event in Mumbai. She opened up about her cancer journey and the role of medical advancements in her recovery. She credited both her doctors for guiding her through one of the toughest chapters of her life. Speaking to the Free Press Journal, Sonali shared why she chose to go public with the diagnosis, does she still fear a relapse, and her refined idea of beauty.
When I was diagnosed with cancer, it was the big C word, nobody really spoke about cancer. And I didn't realize it was so common, because once I wrote about it to stop, because I was stopping work at that point of time. And when I spoke about it, and the replies that I got, and the people who reached out, and everybody had heard or had somebody who had gone through it. And I was like, when it was so common, why was it not spoken about before? And then you realize that people just use the C word, they never mentioned the illness, they didn't want to acknowledge it, and they hid it from the world. And I was like, why are we hiding it from the world? It's not my fault that I've got it. And then I realized that people didn't talk about it as openly. And so I felt that, considering that, I don't know how we would call it, as a celebrity or somebody who has a voice and is being heard, I thought the least I could do was talk about it and have a conversation about it. And that's why I decided to speak about it. I think that today, when you look back 7 years down the line, it's one of the most common conversations. Nobody is saying the C word now. They all say it for what it is. The fear is always there, and I will never say that it's not there, because nobody knows when it could come back. But I hope I will never have to go through the fact that it's back. The fear is always there. You do the scans, you stay on top of it. But what I understand, and what the other message that I really always say, is that early detection saves lives. So the problem for me was that I detected it very late, in 4th stage. And it shouldn't have gone till there. You have today, if you're on top of it, go through your checkups regularly. You will catch it early, you can treat it early, and you can definitely survive it when it's caught early. But it's not just to be in the public eye. Everybody has this thing, especially when you're looking on social media, and everybody thinks that you have to be perfect. But the first thing, that as you grow, you understand that nothing is ever perfect. Life is not meant to be perfect. It's meant to be lived the way it is in front of you, and to make the most of what is given to you. That's what I believe. So, and where looks is concerned, nobody can stop the process of aging. And I hope I can embrace that process rather than fight it. And that's what I'm looking forward to. I do feel that the lines that I have on my face is a life that has been lived, and that lived life has given me a lot of experience, which I value. And I don't want to ever not have that experience. So those lines, when I look in the mirror, reminds me of the life that I have lived. And I think I would like to wear them like stripes, that or like a badge of honor, rather than trying to hide them.